Alright, sight reading number 51 here. Right away I see eighth notes. That means I should think as 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, that sets my pulse and my speed when I play this exercise. Okay, another thing I see are these dots over the notes. Under the notes, they are staccato marks. That means I should pop on these notes. And here I have a slur. I see a slur here. That means I should walk over those notes to play legato. One more thing is the key signature. I have B flat sign there. That means I should flat all the B's I encounter. I found one right here. That means I need to flat that note when I get there. Okay, what else? A mezzo forte mark. Okay, that means I should play moderately loud. And I see some bigger intervals. Here I have some fifths. C to F, C, B, A, G, F. That's 5 letters apart. That's the interval fifth. Also in the left hand, that's a fifth. Here I have some third. This is a fourth. Okay, G to C. G, A, B, C. 4 letters apart. Alright, so let's tackle this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and.